I never knew chicken coops could be built like this. With just a few simple materials, you can create a two-story structure. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing and unique, but you also no longer have to worry about chickens making a mess, and cutting eggs is much easier. The construction method is incredibly simple. First, draw the building area on the ground. Then, using one layer as a reference, mark the lines and build a row of blocks. After building 2 layers of blocks, continue building upwards at the corners. Once the lower layer is reached, place the upper layer. First, lay down a layer of bricks for separation. 5 bricks are placed upwards from the lower layer. Bricks. Next, use several curtain strips to create a staircase and easily movable floor planks to place in the middle of the co-op. The middle of. For durability and protection, several iron sheets should be fixed on top for shielding. To facilitate the production of ammunition by the mother machine, 2 brackets were fixed on the side to install a wooden box. The wooden box was installed in a platform manner, which is not only convenient and simple for daily use, but also does not take up internal space.